Hello everybody. In this video we're going to work on simplifying some expressions with numbers. We're going to practice using our order of operations. In this first one here, notice -4 times 3 minus 1 plus 2. Order of operations say do what's inside the parentheses first. So we're first going to take care of 3 minus 1 to give us 2. And then -4 times the 2 will give us -8. And the next step is take -8 plus 2 to get -6. -6 is our answer. Let's look at another one here. Now we have 40 divided by all of this in brackets, 20 minus 4 times 7 minus 4 parentheses, and close the brackets. When you have grouping symbols within grouping symbols, work from the inside out. 7 minus 4 we'll take care of first. So that leaves us with 20 minus 4 times 3. And then we're going to take care of the 4 times 3 to get 12. Now we're left with 40 divided by the quantity 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. And then we're left with 40 divided by 8 with a final answer of 5. Okay, look at the next one here. We have some fractions to deal with. Simplifying what's inside the parentheses, 1 minus 2/3 leaves us with 1/3. 1/3 is being squared in the parentheses. The next thing we're going to do is take 1/3 and square it. 1/3 times itself is 1/9, because 1 times 1 is the 1. 3 times 3 gives us the 9. So now we're left with 1/4 times 1/9, adding it to 1/3. 1/4 times 1/9 is 1 over 36, plus 1/3. We need a common denominator, and 3 and 36, the common denominator is 36. So 1 over 3, we need to convert that to number over 36. If we take 3 times 12, we'll get 36. So 1 times 12 in the numerator is 12. 1 over 36 plus 12 over 36, 13 over 36. That's our answer for this one. Next up, another one involving fractions. Okay, we have 1 plus 1/3, so that's going to give us 1 1/3 in the parentheses. We're squaring it, and then we're taking away 2/9. 1 1/3 can be written as an improper fraction, 4/3. I'm going to square that. If we take 4/3 and square it, we get 16 over 9. And works out for us, 16 over 9 has the same denominator as 2 over 9. So now we have 16 over 9 minus 2 over 9 to get 14 over 9. And going back to a mixed number, 14 divided by 9, 9 goes in there one time with 5 left over, so 5, 1 5/9. Last one we're going to look at, multiple choice. 1 plus 3 squared times 2 minus 5. Order of operations, take care of that 3 squared first to have 1 plus 9 times 2 minus 5. Order of operations say do the multiplication first. 9 times 2, 18. So we got 1 plus 18 minus 5. 1 plus 18 is 19. And then 19 minus 5 gives us 14. Choice B. There we go. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.